Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Daily English Loop. I am your host, Alex. It is a fantastic day to be here with you all. I have my hot cup of coffee right here, black, no sugar, just how I like it, and I am ready to get chatting.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa. It is so good to be back. And Alex, you and your coffee. You know, I've got my green tea here. It keeps me calm and focused. But I have to agree with you. The energy today is wonderful.
It really is. You know, Lisa, sometimes the hardest part of learning a language isn't the grammar or the big, long words. Sometimes the hardest part is just starting.
Oh, I completely agree. You see someone, you want to practice your English, but you just freeze. You don't know what to say first. It can be a little scary.
Exactly. It's that first step fear. So today, we are going to fix that. We are going to talk about how to start a conversation in English.
This is such a useful topic. Whether you are traveling, or you have a new colleague, or you just want to make a new friend, these tips are going to help you open that door.
Open the door. I like that image. But before we open any doors, Lisa, we should remind our amazing listeners about something important.
Yes. Friends, if you are enjoying our podcast, please make sure to subscribe to Daily English Loop and click that like button. It's a small click for you, but it means the world to us.
It really helps other learners find us. And if you have a friend who is also learning English, maybe someone who is a bit shy, share this episode with them. Okay, Lisa, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's go.
So, let's keep it simple. What is the very first word, the absolute basic?
Well, the classic is obviously hello. You can never go wrong with hello.
It's true. It's universal. You can say it to your boss, your grandmother, or the bus driver. It is polite and clear. But what about something a little more casual?
If you want to be a bit more relaxed, you can say hi.
Hi. It sounds friendly.
It is. Hi is very common now. You can use it in a coffee shop, at the store, or with friends. It's short and sweet.
So hello is for everyone, and hi is for when you want to be a bit more informal.
Exactly. There's also hey, but be careful with that one. Hey is for people you know well. If you shout hey at a stranger, they might think they dropped their wallet.
That is a good point. So stick with hello or hi to be safe. Now, Lisa, what about using the time of day? I feel like that makes you sound very fluent.
It definitely does. It sounds very polite and sophisticated.
So, in the morning, obviously, we say good morning.
Yes, good morning. It is such a nice phrase. It feels like you are wishing them a happy start to their day. You can use this from the moment you wake up until 12 p.m. or noon.
Okay, so after 12 p.m., what do we switch to?
Then we switch to good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I like that rhythm. It sounds professional.
It is very professional. If you walk into a meeting at 2 p.m., saying good afternoon is perfect.
And how long can I use that? Until I go to sleep?
No, Alex. Usually around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., when the sun starts to go down, we change to good evening.
Good evening. That sounds fancy, like I'm going to a nice dinner.
It is lovely. Good evening, everyone. It sets a nice tone.
Now, Lisa, I have a trick question for you.
Oh no, I'm nervous.
I see someone at 8 p.m. Can I walk up to them and say good night?
Ah, that is a classic mistake. No, you cannot.
Really? But it's nighttime.
I know, it's confusing. But in English, good night is only used for saying goodbye. It means you are leaving or you are going to sleep.
So if I walk into a party at 8 p.m. and shout good night, everyone will think I'm going home.
Exactly. They will wave goodbye to you. So remember, good evening to say hello, good night to say goodbye.
That is a very important distinction. Okay, so we have said hello or good morning. What comes next? The awkward silence?
No silence. We need to keep the ball rolling. The next step is usually asking how the person is.
The famous question, how are you?
Yes. How are you? It shows you care. It is a social bridge.
And we all learned the robot answer in school, right? I am fine, thank you, and you?
Yes, there's nothing wrong with that answer. It is polite and correct, but sometimes it sounds a little bit robotic.
A little bit stiff. So what are some other options? If I'm feeling happy, what can I say?
You can say, I'm good, thanks. Or if you are really happy, I'm great.
I'm great. I like that energy. What if I'm just average, like nothing special is happening?
Then you can say, I'm okay. Or a very common one is, not bad.
Not bad. That is very useful. It's honest, but polite.
Let's practice, Alex. Hello, Alex. Good morning. How are you?
I'm great, Lisa. Thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. See, it flows very naturally.
It does. And notice that I asked, and you, back. That is important, right?
Very important. It's like a game of tennis. You have to hit the ball back. If you just say, I'm fine, and stop talking, the conversation dies.
Don't kill the conversation. Ask, and you, or how about you?
How about you is a great phrase to remember.
Okay, so we have greeted them, but what if this is a new person? I don't know their name.
Then you need to introduce yourself. Be brave.
I am brave, so I just say, my name is Alex.
Yes, or simply, I'm Alex.
I'm Alex. That is easy. And then I ask for their name. What's your name?
Exactly. And once they tell you their name, there is a magic phrase you must use.
Is it abracadabra?
No, Alex. The magic phrase is nice to meet you.
Ah, yes. Nice to meet you.
This phrase signals that you are friendly. It makes a connection.
And if someone says, nice to meet you to me, I answer, nice to meet you too.
Yes. Don't forget the to at the end. It means me also.
Okay, let's do a mini role play. I see you at a conference. Hello, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
Perfect. You see, now we are not strangers anymore.
We are acquaintances. But Lisa, sometimes you say, nice to meet you, and then silence again. We need a topic.
We need a conversation starter. We need an icebreaker.
And what is the champion of all conversation starters?
The weather.
The weather? Really? Isn't that boring?
It might seem boring, but it is safe. Everyone experiences the weather. It is something we share.
That is true. We are both standing in the same rain or the same sun.
Exactly. So if it's a nice day, you can simply say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day. That is easy. Or, the weather is so nice today.
And if I'm the other person, I can just agree. Yes, it is. Right. And now you're talking. What if the weather is bad?
I can say, wow, it is really raining out there.
Or, it's so cold today, brr.
I love doing that. Complaining about the cold is a great way to make friends.
It really is. You suffer together. Oh, it's freezing. Yes, I need a hot coffee. See? Conversation.
That leads perfectly to coffee. I love it. Okay, so weather is a great tool. What is another tool we can use?
Compliments.
Compliments. Saying something nice.
Yes, everyone loves to hear something nice about themselves. It makes them feel good, and it makes them like you.
So I can say, Lisa, I like your hair.
Yes, thank you, Alex. Or you can talk about something they're wearing. I like your shirt, or that is a nice watch.
I like your shoes. It's simple, but effective.
Just make sure you're sincere.
Sincere? What does that mean?
It means you must tell the truth. Don't say, I like your hat if you think the hat is ugly. People can tell if you're lying.
Ah, good point. So find something you actually like.
Exactly. I genuinely like your sweater today, Alex. It looks very warm.
Why, thank you, Lisa. It is very comfortable. See? Now I feel happy. I want to keep talking to you.
That is the power of a compliment.
Okay, one more starter. What if we want to ask about their life?
You can ask about their day. How is your day going?
How is your day going? That is a bit different than how are you, right?
Yes. How are you is general state of being. How is your day is about what happened today.
I see. So the answer could be, it's going well, thanks. Or, it's been a busy day.
Exactly. It opens the door for a story. Oh, it's been busy. I had a big meeting.
And then I can ask, oh, a meeting? What is your job? And boom, deeper conversation.
You are a pro, Alex.
I am learning from the best, Lisa. Okay, I think we have a lot of pieces now. We have greetings, introductions, weather, compliments, and questions about the day.
Shall we put it all together?
Let's do it. Let's do a big role play.
Okay. Where are we?
Let's say we are waiting for a bus. A classic situation. We don't know each other. I will start.
Okay. Action.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it? Much better than yesterday.
Yes, it is. Yesterday was so rainy. I love this sunshine.
Me too. It is great for a walk. By the way, my name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. I really like your bag. That is a cool color.
Oh, thank you. I just bought it. Are you having a good day?
Yes, not bad. Just going to work. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Oh, look, I think the bus is coming.
Ah, yes. Well, it was nice talking to you, Lisa.
You too, Alex. Have a good day.
Bye. End scene.
Wow, Alex, that was perfect.
It felt very natural. We went from strangers to, well, friendly strangers in 1 minute.
And notice the sentences were short. We didn't use big, complicated grammar.
No, I like your bag. My name is Alex. Simple is powerful.
It really is. You don't need to be Shakespeare to make a friend.
To make a friend. That is really the goal here, isn't it? English is just a tool to connect with humans.
Exactly. So let's review the steps for our listeners one more time.
Step 1. The greeting. Hello, hi, good morning.
Step 2, the check-in. How are you? And remember the answers. I'm good, I'm great, not bad.
Step 3. The introduction. If you don't know them, say, my name is, and use the magic phrase, nice to meet you.
Step 4, the starter. Talk about the weather, give a sincere compliment, or ask about their day.
And step 5, smile.
Yes, a smile is the best English vocabulary you have.
You know, Lisa, talking about this makes me want to go out and talk to people. Maybe I will go to the coffee shop and compliment the barista.
You should. Tell him you like his apron.
I will. Nice apron. Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. And to our listeners, we want you to try this too. Don't be afraid of making a mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes, and I talk for a living.
It's true. People are usually very friendly. If you say hello, they will likely say hello back.
So, be brave. Open your mouth and speak.
Well, Alex, I think that is all the time we have for today.
Time flies when you are having a nice conversation.
It does. Thank you all so much for listening to Daily English Loop. We hope you feel more confident now.
Yes, thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this episode. It helps us keep the coffee brewing and the tea steeping.
And we have a question for you. Please answer in the comments below.
Yes, tell us, what is your favorite way to start a conversation? Do you like talking about the weather, or do you have a special trick?
Maybe you comment on the food? Let us know. We love reading your ideas.
Yes, we read every comment. Thank you again, everyone. Go out there and say hello.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.